Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to create a database, how to create a table, how to generate a table query. I already opened a SQL Server Management Studio. Let's open a new query window. So this is the syntax to create a new database. Create database name. So in our case it is SQL tutorial. I am running this query. The command executed successfully and we just refresh the database section. Here we can figure it out, the SQL tutorial is created. We can select the particular database using the database drop down, or we can use the use statement so that the particular statement will be enable the SQL tutorial section. Now we will create a new table from the table designer. Whenever we are going to create a table, the first column will be ID. You can just put this as a integer and set this as a not null, and name we can set this as a varchar 50. Next, date of birth we can set this as a date. We can set is active bit, and finally created it. So whenever we create some record, we can just store the data in it. We have to just select the first column and set it as a primary key. So the purpose of primary key is just make sure it is uniquely identify each record in a table. It should be unique and should not contain a null value. We will just save this table and give this as a customer table. The table is now created. We just go to the table section, and if we refresh, we can see the customer table is created and with the primary key. So most of the people install SQL Server on the desktop or laptop. It's easy to create a table through table designer and then generate a create table query from it. We already created the customer table, so I will just show you how to create a create table statement from it. Just select this script table as created to new query editor window. It will generate the create table script for you. It is exactly similar to what we created in the designer. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.